Stand by.
I guarantee I can turn you into a black coffee drinker if you aren't already one.
Well, on behalf of the Batavia Chamber of Commerce and the City of Batavia, we would like to officially welcome Four Beans to our community and wish you many, many years of business success and growth, and let today be an indication of how things are going to be in the days ahead. So,
thank you very much.
Well, these do work. So we slowly cut these so people can take pictures. So
Everybody getting pictures?
we're getting the pictures, okay?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Barb, you want to say anything?
I just want to say thank you very, very much. And just come and spend money. Hi, I'm Barb Bevel. Welcome to Four Beans Coffeehouse. Dan, thank you so much for coming in to talk to me again. We had a fabulous ribbon cutting ceremony with the mayor and members of the Chamber of Commerce, which was wonderful. I need to tell you a little bit why you need to come to Four Beans Coffeehouse. First of all, we own it. It is not a franchise. Second of all, the reason that sets us apart from everybody else is because we roast our own beans. Imagine that, fresh roasted beans. This is our roaster. This is where it happens. My husband, Buff, is our master roaster. He roasts every bean that you can think of, everywhere from around the world. Guatemala, Ethiopia, Papua New Guinea, Blue Mountain, Jamaican Blue Mountain, everywhere you can imagine. Kona from Hawaii. Wherever coffee beans grow, we will have them, we will roast them fresh. Freshest coffee you've ever had in your whole life. And the only thing I ask is that before you put any milk or sugar in it, you taste it black first, because every different country has a different flavor. Once you taste it black, you can jazz it up. You can put cream or milk or sugar in it, but have it black first, and I guarantee you that I will turn you into a black coffee drinker. In addition to all the different beans that we roast, we brew 4 different types of coffee each day. We always have a decaf. We always offer our Four Beans House blend. We then change out 2 different ones each day. Today, for example, we have Sumatra and the Java Estate. They're wonderful, and it's so great because they're fresh. We want to be synonymous with the word fresh, and this is why. We have timers on every single pot, and when we brew the coffee, we'll set the timer for an hour. If the timer goes off, we'll dump the pot. So you'll always have a fresh cup of coffee. It'll be the freshest cup you've ever had in your life. Brazilian decaf. Take note that this is Swiss water processing decaffeinated. So that means that we use no chemicals to decaffeinate our beans. We chose to roast a 4 beans blend for everyone. In that blend, there are 4 to 5 different kinds of coffee, and I can't tell you what they are because I'll give it away. But it's important to know that all the coffee that we sell are not only Arabica beans, but they're all fair trade. This is just one of the countries that we are showing here. This is Sumatra. Sumatra has a wonderful full body flavor, and there again, I'd like you to taste it black. Wait, we're going off.
What just happened?
Well, I had all the timers set for an hour and they all went off. I'm going to have to dump 4 pots of coffee.
What do we got over here?
Okay, this is the Java Estate Calibendo, which is a wonderful light roast coffee that you could probably drink half a pot of. Not only are our coffees fair trade, some of the coffees that we offer are organic, but the most important factor to keep in mind is that they're fair trade. We only carry Arabica beans, which means they're picked by hand, grown at 3,000 feet altitude and higher, picked by hand and not machine. So the beans are handled by a person who's paid fairly for their hours worked. In addition to roasting coffee beans, we also have loose leaf tea. We offer 30 different types of loose leaf tea, from green and black and red to oolong, rooibos, to herbal teas. We've got everything that you can imagine. We also have spa teas. So those are well-being teas. So if you have problems with your digestion or emotions or even your libido, I've got a tea that will work. We also have flowering teas, which are beautiful. They're Numi. They're all organic. You can drop it in water and it steeps, and when you pour hot water on a flowering tea, it's wonderful.
Say it again.
It opens up. It's just like a flower, like a chrysanthemum, if you can believe. So here you have a flower, and you can pour hot water on it 3 times. And each time, unlike a tea bag that gets weaker with every time you pour water on it, a flowering tea gets stronger. And it's beautiful on top of that. Not only do we carry Numi teas, flowering teas, we also carry accessories for the gift-giving time of year, be it Mother's Day or Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthdays. We also have Numi gift sets where you can buy a glass teapot with flowering tea along with it. We have cast iron teapots. We have small ones and larger ones. If you choose to come into the coffee house and have a cup of tea, rather than serve you a cup of tea with a tea bag, which, by the way, the English call a dangler, we prefer to open up any of our loose leaf teas and measure either 4 to 6 grams on the scale. And then we would put the tea, or we will put the tea, in a French press. Notice that this is a smaller French press than we use for our coffee. The small French press then is steeped for 3 minutes with an egg timer. Then it's presented to you on a tray with a beautiful porcelain cup and saucer. Special. We also sell tea either in bulk or by the ounce. Four Beans Coffee House also offers smoothies to that person that doesn't want to forget their youth. We call them ice caps in green tea, chocolate freeze, vanilla freeze, skinny vanilla freeze, orange cream, strawberry, mango tropic, and mocha freeze. Since there are lots of questions that abound at Four Beans Coffee House, in particular about our sipping chocolate. What the heck is sipping chocolate? It's a European dark liquid chocolate that's so rich it's like drinking a liquid Godiva bar. We make the sipping chocolate here, and it's a European sipping chocolate, so rich that we have to serve it in a demi-tasse cup. Can you imagine this little baby demi-tasse cup? Because that's all you can drink, it's so rich. You know, the chocoholics line up outside like they're waiting for tickets because they have to try the sipping chocolate. It's decadent. It's so good. It's so wonderful. You can't get enough of it. They can't get enough of it. Four Beans Coffee House is located on the southeast corner of Randall Road and Wilson. We have 2 entrances. One at 1928 West Wilson, this one facing the bank. This is our second entrance. It's facing south or the parking lot. Now, per customer's request, we've changed our hours. We'll be open on Sundays from 7 to 7. We'll be open Monday through Thursday, 6 in the morning till 9 at night. And on Fridays and Saturdays, we'll be open from 6 in the morning till 10 at night. For more information, contact us here at the store at Four Beans Coffee House, 1928 West Wilson. Call us by phone at 630-761-1930 or visit our website at 4beanscoffee.com. Welcome to Four Beans Coffee House.